In today's video, we show you how we deal with mosses, fungi and lichens that are in places where they do not belong and pose a potential risk to our health. Permanently damp areas in the masonry are a breeding ground for mold fungi. A constant moisture level of more than 60% is necessary for their growth. The presence of nutrients, that is, remnants of organic matter contained in dust and plant debris, is also important. We divided the work into two phases, the first of which was removing fungi and algae with a high-pressure cleaner. This is a very good method as long as it is a smooth and non-porous surface like plaster, tiles or polished concrete. It is also important to consider that not all walls can withstand high water pressure. If it is a sensitive surface like wood, wallpaper or paint, a pressure washer can cause damage. After thoroughly removing the organic residues, that is, the previously mentioned fungi, mold and mosses, and then washing, we applied NCT Hydro using the spray method. This is sodium silicate from water glass with the NCT catalyst, which penetrates up to 50 mm into the concrete structure and smooths it. By using NCT Hydro, we have created a hydrophobic and antibacterial surface that is so smooth it makes it difficult for bacteria, fungi and algae to adhere. This gives them hardly any chance to reproduce and spread on the concrete. A surface coated with NCT Hydro stays clean for years, as the hydrophobic coating exhibits an alkaline reaction that prevents spores of microorganisms which prefer an acidic environment from forming on the surface.
If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next project.